Ang galing ng mga viewers natin. Napansin nyo rin pala? Oo nga no, may hawig nga talaga sa estilo ni Pacquiao nung kabataan niya. Ito pala yung sinasabi nila na up and coming future superstar ng Philippine boxing. Oh, grabe! Talagang balagbagan yung estilo. Parehong kaliwete, parehong may knockout power, parehong exciting, at higit sa lahat, parehong walang takot. Sa mga hardcore fans ng Philippine boxing, nasubaybayan natin ang kwento ng isang batang Pacquiao. Unang salang niya bilang professional boxer taong 1995, 10 beses agad lumaban. Take note, 16 pa lang si Manny dito, isang menor de edad. At ngayon, may isang Gen Z boxer, edad 22, ang namamayagpag na sinasabi nilang may hawig sa estilo ni Pacquiao nung nag-uumpisa pa lang to. Malupit ang mga viewers ng channel na to dahil sa isang video natin na nag-viral, maraming nakapansin sa pagkakahalintulad ng galaw ni Pacboy at Loverboy. Kaya handog ko sa inyo mga kababayan ang videong ito. At baka magulat kayo kapag nilatag ko sa inyo ang pagkakapareho ng dalawa. Una, parehong kaliwete. Parehong may knockout power ang kaliwat kanang suntok, in-in-out movement at yung talbog ng mga paa. Si Pacquiao dati dumaan sa kamay ni Alex Ariza, isang kilalang conditioning coach sa buong mundo. Ngayon, si Kenneth naman ang hawak niya. Parehong dumayo sa Japan at nakapagtala ng first round knockout. Kung si Pacquiao ay nagmula sa General Santos, itong si Liover naman ay nagmula sa General Trias. Akalain nyo yun? Parehong general, parehong konektado kay Jerry Peñalosa. Literal na may hawig ang galaw. Ultimo pag nakatalikod o umaatake, parehong walang takot makipagbasagan ng mukha. At higit sa lahat, parehong pogi. Diba? Napakaraming sinyales. Sinasabi naman ng iba, hilaw pa yan, walang dipensya, malilintikan din yan, puro hype lang naman yan. Ganun talaga mga kababayan, dahil nag-uumpisa pa lang, ma-develop ang kakayahan ng batang ito. Kahit si Pacquiao naman dati, natalo, lumuhod, gumapang at na-knockout, parte yan ng buhay boksingero. Basta ang importante kung paano mo malalampasan at maging world champion in the future. Malay mo, di ba? Ito na nga talaga yung inaasam natin na susunod sa yapak ng isang Manny Pacquiao. Dahil nakakamiss yung mga panahong tumungtong na si Manny sa US para baklasin ang mga champions. Ang pukpukan niya against Mexican legends at kung paano niya dinumina ang napakaraming dibisyon. Ang mga kagaya ni Kenneth Liover ang nagbibigay sa atin ng bagong pag-asa para muling manood ng boxing. Uy, may nakalimutan pa pala ako dahil parehong exciting sa mata ng mga boxing fans. Yung tipong hindi mo na isusoli yung ticket dahil sulit ang experience. Ito ang legit na tanong ko sa inyo mga kababayan at pwede nyong sagutin sa comment section. May potential ba na maging multi-division world champion ang batang ito sa hinaharap? Baka sabihin nyo, tinutulonggis ko kayo. Tara, ating panoorin at ikumpara ang galawan ng isang batang Pacquiao at future rising star ng Pilipinas ngayon, Kenneth the Loverboy Liover. Okay, bakbakang Kenneth Liover versus Jonathan Francisco, parehong Pinoy. October 9, 2022. Panoorin muna natin yung mga previous fights ni Kenneth Liover. Dalawang dalawang rank contender to ng bantamweight sa mga panahong ito sa Philippine Bantamweight Rankings. Kenneth Liover fighting in red with white and blue trunks versus Francisco fighting with orange and white trunks. Stalking si Francisco mga kababayan ha. Siya yung umabante. And Liover naman is create. Uy, tinamaan ng left hook sa pag-exit niya. Good left. Sneaky left. Parang Pacquiao yun ha. Yung mga ganon. Yung ganon yung ginagawa ni Pacquiao kontra De La Hoya eh. First fight pa lang to mga kababayan ha. Uunahin muna natin yung previous fight ni Kenneth Liover at isusunod natin yung kay Manny Pacquiao. Yung mga old fights dati ni Manny Pacquiao para mas maikumpara natin ng maayos, di ba? Di bali sa next fight nito may mga commentary na at yung mga next fight naman meron din kasi mahaba-habang video to, mahaba-habang kwentuhan to. Shoutout sa mga kapatid natin sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Good left, Lunging left. Lakas nun. Nagreklamo. Hindi naman ata tira sa batok yun. Legit na suntok yun. Mag-comment lang kayo dyan sa ibaba mga kababayan. Iisa-isahin kong replyan yan hanggang sa abot ng aking makakaya. Okay, Liover, he's just inching. He's just looking for an opening. If papasok kasi si Jonathan Francisco, may tendency na magiging bukas siya for Liover to counter. Agresibo. Agresibo yung kalaban. Pero tignan natin. Kasi pinag-aaralan pa ni Kenneth Liover eh. Diba sa tingin nyo, may hawig ba? Hawig ba talaga yung galaw niya kay Pacquiao? Kasi yun sinasabi ng mga tao. And naiintindihan ko kasi parehong kaliwete, di ba? May ano din eh, may similarity, resemblance. Pag nakataliko, di ba? Pag tumatalbog-talbog, parang Pacquiao talaga eh. Ito, kino-corner siya. Tingnan natin anong gagawin niya. Hindi tumama ni isa. Tapos distansya, siya naman, bibitaw ng mga body shots, yan. Okay, dalawang left. Pacquiao talaga eh. Malakas din yung suntok, lumalagabog. Kahit sabihin nating block yun. Tinama ng body. Yun, parang napakamot. Masakit yun. Sneaky left, no? Parang Pacquiao talaga eh. Wala yun. Hindi tumama yun. Pero magaling din yung Jonathan Francisco ah. Fundamentals andon, di ba? Good contender din. Decent workout for Kenneth Liover. Up and coming future superstar ng Philippine boxing. Second round tayo. Again, sa mga bago pa lang, Kenneth Liover fighting in red trunks and the opponent Francisco fighting in orange and white trunks. Itong Liover na to sa mga hindi nakakakilala, batang Gen 3 to. General Trias Cavite. Caviteño. Good left by Liover. Grabe, nag-uumpisa nang maglabas ng output. Mukhang gusto niyang tapusin. Talagang babanatan eh. Si Liover na yung nagpe-pressure Nararamdaman na ng kalaban na mabigat yung suntok ng Pinoy na to. Yung mga tao talagang hiyawan sila eh. Alam nila na makakasaksi sila ng knockout dito eh. Good left. Double jab tapos left. Level change, di ba? Malupit din. Okay, naku-corner yung kalaban. Nako, tatapusin na daw. Grabe. Uy, tinamaan sa dibdib. Nako. Grabe, matindi nga. Matindi to.
Pacquiao of course is undefeated.
Okay, ito naman yung laban ni Pacquiao kontra kay Renato Mendones, isang contender din dati. Babalikan natin to, October 21, 1995 para ikumpara natin kung may hawig nga ba talaga sa galawan ni Liover yung batang Pacquiao.
Is just coming out a world title fight back in
Take note mga kababayan 16 years old pa lang si Pacquiao dito. Ewan ko bakit sinasabi nilang 18 years old sa mga commentary tsaka sa mga ringcaster. Kasi nga 16 years old, minor de edad pa yan eh. Pero 16 si Pacquiao dito sa mga panahong to kasi 1978 si Pacquiao eh. And ito yung year na nag-debut siya sa professional boxing. 16 years old, 1995. At take note, dagdag ko lang, 10 beses siya lumaban sa time na to, sa loob ng isang taon. Kahit bagito pa lang, grabe.
He's a great young boy, he's I think 17 or 18 years old, but he may be overmatched in this fight, I don't know.
well, that's what we were saying, just looking at the records. Because Mendones, as we said, looks a lot more experienced than Pacquiao, but both of them are 18 years old. So both are teenagers.
Diba? 18 years old sinasabi. Pero kung
Tripping right
bibilangin mo
hand
yung
by
years, 1978 si Pacquiao pinanganak eh. So 16 years old pa lang siya, 1995.
Now, right now in the infighting, Mendones throwing a lot more
Grabe
leather
isipin nyo,
than Pacquiao.
16 years old ka, nagko-computer ka pa lang eh. Kung ano ang pinagagawa mo eh. Ito, lumalaban na eh. Buboxing na.
When you fight an experienced fighter like Mendones, you better watch out.
Yeah.
Pwede ba ako makahingi ng pabor sa inyo mga kababayan? Paki-like ang videong ito para mas gumanda ang algorithm natin at maraming kababayan pa natin ang makakapanood.
Has fought some of the world's best. Frankie Duarte, Albert Davila, spent 2 years of his ring career back in the 70s fighting out of Los Angeles and Hawaii. And he is now working as a trainer in the late Grego Garcia's stable.
Oh, good combination by
Grabe yung mga laban dati, no? Parehong solid, no?
Yes.
I mean, 7 wins and
No
Pang
loss.
contender na tong mga ganito, yung mga gantong galawan.
Tonight he knows this
Exciting
will be his
na panoorin.
first defeat against Mendones. Pacquiao's got to fight intelligent. He can't take chances.
Grabe.
A good flurry of punches by Pacquiao.
Iba tong mga boxer dati.
Oh, good combination.
Grabe, oh,
by Pacquiao.
salpukan talaga. Ito yung mga
He's a little
classic
wild
eh.
against
Yes.
Mendones. Mendones
Classic.
a little more methodical.
Well, Mendones is standing his ground. And you notice that he throws punches from many
May
different
advantage si
angles.
Pacquiao, mataas yung reach niya.
Experienced fighter. Yes.
Kasi maliliit pa yung kalaban niya eh.
Pacquiao clipped Mendones, and Mendones almost went down. Could be a cut, no?
No. For a moment.
Yes.
Pacquiao just flicks with the right and then came thundering with the left down. He punched down like a good fighter should.
Now both fighters are just
Ooh.
standing
Pacquiao got
their
caught.
ground. They're not moving. Pacquiao,
Going after Mendones.
we've seen Pacquiao use his jabs much more often in previous fights.
Blow by blow years, kung solid ka na boxing fans dati pa. Kilala mo yan, yung mga legend na yan. Okay, second round tayo.
Round number 2 coming up in the fight that is scheduled for 8. Pacquiao in the white trunks, Mendones in the Thai boxing pants. Fairly even first round. Probably Mendoza.
Hawig ba? May hawig ba sa estilo ni Liuver?
I would think so.
Meron, no?
I thought Mendones connected with more blows.
Siguro ano lang, masasabi ko, si Pacquiao mas magaling sa distansya.
You see Mendones stalking Pacquiao. Pacquiao trying to work behind that right jab.
Yes, he's got a
Pacquiao is out.
yes. Pacquiao has got a good left. He's got a powerful left. He looks very, very young. He looks like a kid.
Yes.
Well,
Although
he's
both of
18
them are
years
just
old.
18, yes.
Yeah.
But much more experience to see Mendones.
The way he moves, you can say that he's more experienced.
Yes.
But Pacquiao waiting, flicking the right and waiting to throw that big left of his. Good left again. Pacquiao on the rip, on the ropes. Good left again. Pacquiao dances out of trouble very nicely. The crowd likes that.
Yes, Pacquiao.
Good left.
Good left by Pacquiao.
He connected that time.
Flash on the face of Mendones.
Yes, smacked up. There's another one. Pacquiao seems to be winning this
Oh,
round.
good combination. Oh, another good left by Pacquiao, but Mendones comes back. Pacquiao caught him with the left flash on the face. Left and right by Pacquiao, but he got hurt with the right.
Mendones fighting back. Mendones moving in.
Kaya pala sobrang sikat ng boxing dati. Tinatangkilik ng mga Pinoy. Kasi ito yung mapapanood mo eh.
Leaning against the ropes.
Exciting, exciting.
Defensive.
Yes. Mendones caught him with the right that time and hurt him.
Now, a cut has been opened, and I saw referee Silvestre Abainza raise up his fist.
Although ngayon malakas pa rin naman pag nanonood ka ng boxing. Uy, tinamaan!
Beautiful left.
Big left!
He's almost out on his feet.
He's in trouble.
Napapasayaw na.
Almost out on his feet. Rubbery leg. Oh my gosh.
What a punch.
Ginulat eh, ginulat ng kaliwa.
One punch flat on
Grabe
his
yun.
face.
There's blood on the nose of
Nako.
Mendones is in
Yung mukha na yung pinangsasalag niya.
Go down. Pacquiao fighting. Yes.
Naku, maghihilamos ka ng suntok, Brad.
Pacquiao is
punches. Mendones forced to hold
Parang
on.
awa mo na.
getting hammered.
Yung referee nag-aalangan na eh.
Doesn't know where he is.
He's almost down again.
Naku, hindi siya papayakapin ni Pacquiao. Hindi siya papayakapin. Tinamaan ng left.
He's getting a bad beating.
Naku, delikado to. Ito yung mga pampakoma sa mga boksingero.
Pacquiao looking for the knockout
Ayaw
blow.
talaga bumagsak.
He cannot seem to find the knockout blow. Mendones is hanging on. A lot of time
Naku,
left.
delikado yan. At yung mga ganyan, binabato na yung tuwalya eh.
Mendones is in a whole lot of trouble.
Hindi na siya tumatama eh. Wala na, suntok hangin na lang eh.
He's a bloody mess.
He's looking for a coup de grace, and he cannot find
Yes,
it.
it's
Oh, he
over.
stopped it.
It's over.
Abainza
It's over.
stopped the fight.
Grabe yung Pacquiao dati, no? 16 years old. 1995.
He has survived the first big test.
Iba to.
of his young professional career.
What a fighter!
Okay, kay Kenneth Lluvia naman tayo. Lluvia versus Edward Hino.
Kay Kenneth Lluvia, much as possible if you can bring this
Kaya tayo nagpunta dito sa
yes, Adorni, he will
so far,
press
good
forward.
job.
Because
Good
I don't
job.
think Heno has the...
Wala pa yung
Panoorin natin yung highlights para masipat natin kung may similarity nga ba talaga ang estilo ng dalawa.
Gigil.
Oh, he can make it uncomfortable for Kenneth Lluvia. Oy!
Pasimple. Oh, Lover with the left.
Pwede ba ako makahingi ng pabor sa inyo mga kababayan? Paki-like ang videong ito para mas gumanda ang algorithm natin at maraming kababayan pa natin ang makakapanood.
Heno trying to catch Lover coming in.
Mag-comment lang kayo dyan sa ibaba mga kababayan. Iisa-isahin kong replyan yan hanggang sa abot ng aking makakaya.
He can throw the jab and convert it to a hook.
Heno. Oh.
Good left straight by Heno.
Maabante yung kalaban. Outboxing lang si Lluvia.
He doesn't panic. Oh!
Oh.
Nice counter.
Oh, good left
Good left straight on
by
top.
Lover.
Heno's
Good
still
left.
there though. Heno's still there.
Oh. He's baiting Lover to come in. Oh, good left. Good left.
Grabe yung composure ng Heno.
Oh.
Grabe yung Hino. Maabante, may kasamang headbutt.
Winding up the round. Big round for Lover. Some power shots.
Parang
Okay.
yung kanan ni anong recipe no?
Oh, ayun.
Pinamama ni Heno yung Lluvia.
Kanan.
Siyempre yung Lluvia may suntok. Kaya mahirap
The one
mamain.
who's ahead. Good left to the body
Good
by
left to the
Lover.
body.
Gandang kaliwa sa bodega ni Lover. Left to the head. Ito, magandang laban. Ipitin ni Heno.
No, they're fighting.
This is
they're
the best way.
going toe-to-toe.
This is the best way for Heno. Oy. Oh, good
Oh.
left by Heno. Good left. Heno with world title experience, mga kaibigan.
Yes, good round so far for Heno.
Yes, he's opening up. He's opening up. Good body shots. Oh, good left by body shots, power shots being thrown by Lover. And again, Heno trying to
Grabe yung laban na to. Pukpukan. Dikdikan.
hold.
Ubusan ng lakas.
Ngayon, ha? Good left by Heno. Good left.
Yes.
Nahuhuli niya ang kaliwa. Good round for so far ito ang best round para kay Heno.
Yeah, yes. And Heno is also landing those body shots at Tornino. They
Oh.
will,
Getting it. Best round for Heno. So,
Uy,
good
tinamaan ng
left.
jab. Ah, nag-angas na. Nagpapaangasan na oh. Shuffle pa eh.
Elder round
Ang
by
tindi.
Lover.
Parehong exciting.
By Lover. Napatras si Heno.
oh!
Those are solid shots. Pero Heno is coming back. Oh, good left again. Another left.
Oh!
Oh boy. A good fight. Kenneth
For
Lover.
Roberto get out. Oh!
Ito best shot ni at
Oh, and he
may
comes
kaliwa
back with the body.
Oh, good
Oh!
left by Lover again.
Good left by Luber.
Ang dede ng mga suntok ni Lover.
Nice job by Heno. Snap Luber's head back.
Ang tibay dulong Heno.
Oo.
Okay, Pacquiao naman tayo. Manny Pacquiao versus Mike Luna, March 8, 1997.
Won 6 by knockout, won by unanimous decision over Rushi Raymunda.
Payat pa ni Pacquiao dati, no? Nakakapanlin lang eh. Ang payat niyan, pero talagang gugulpihin ka niyan eh. Naalala ko tuloy si Wamos, ganyang kapayat. Or mas payat pa dyan. Diba? Si Wamos na ipagbugbugan eh. Kaso binubugbog siya ng punching bag.
Pacquiao rated number 2 in the
Punching bag yung kamatch ni Wamos. Uy, grabe. Papakawalan yung big left. Big left overhand. Buntik tumama.
Tends occasionally to get a little careless. Very flamboyant fighter. Sometimes gets a little cocky. And
That's how he lost. Huh?
Yes.
I think I covered that bout in the Rio.
But he's a very popular fighter.
Yeah.
Everywhere we go, they ask for Manny Pacquiao. But he's young. He's colorful.
And he keeps busy
Yes.
inside the ring.
Except that I understand he's a great fighter, but he tends to get ill from time to time. In fact, he was supposed to fight some weeks ago, but couldn't fight because he was ill, and that's why he's fighting tonight.
Combinations being unleashed now by Manny Pacquiao.
And right to the body. Pacquiao.
Hey,
Oh,
good right to that face.
of Luna. He's going up.
Ako, wasak. Ito ba naman bombahin sa katawan? Ang bodega. Nangisay eh. Nangisay. Grabe si Pacquiao, no? Hindi na nakatayo. Pacquiao talaga yung mukha eh.
Yes. Big first round knockout victory here by Manny Pacquiao to the delight.
Medyo bitin, no? Medyo bitin. Hanap tayo isang video pa na kalaban ni Pacquiao dati. Ito. Solid na laban to. Manny Pacquiao versus Chokchai Chokdivat.
Both boxers in white, although the
Ito solid na ano to, contender to, legend to sa Thailand. Sikat to doon. Dumayo dito sa
red
Pilipinas.
stripe on the side of his trunks.
Isipin nyo mga kababayan, 2 years experience pa lang si Manny Pacquiao dito. Professional experience. Di ba? Inilaban na kagad sa mga mga solid na Thai fighter. Kasi sa mga panahon na to kababayan, yung mga Thai fighter or Thailand talaga yung number 1 sa boxing dito sa Asia. Sila talaga yung number 1. Number 2 yung Japan. Tapos tayo, humahabol pa lang. Kasi nga sa mga panahon to, pag naging world champion ka, sobrang sikat mo na sa Pilipinas eh. Sobrang sobrang recognized ka.
With his right jab. So far, Chokchai 3K battery has been content with sizing up his opponent.
We haven't seen too much offense from either fighter at this stage. Now, Pacquiao, he's the southpaw. He leads off.
Okay, shout out sa mga kababayan natin dyan. Saan mang lupalop kayo ngayon. Shout out sa inyo mga kababayan. Sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan.
And Chokchai Battery also has an outstanding knockout reputation.
Well, he's had 15 out of 35, and he has held the OPBF flyweight title for the past 5 years. That certainly speaks very well of his boxing abilities.
There's Chokchai attacking the midsection of
Grabe no?
Manny
Punuan yung
Pacquiao.
stadium eh. Talagang naabangan si Pacquiao na sa mga panahon to.
Sensation here in the
Sobrang
Philippines.
sikat na niya
He
dito.
has lost only once in his career, and that was by a knockout to Rustico Taracampo.
Isang solid na legend ng Thailand. Kung usapang boxing. Tignan natin kung paano balagbagin ni Pacquiao to ng isang batang Pacquiao. 18 years old si Pacquiao dito. Yun, low blow yun.
Chokchai 3K Battery of Thailand.
Manny Pacquiao has won his last 7 fights by knockout, and that certainly is nothing to sneeze at.
Well, you also notice that the right hand of Manny Pacquiao dangling along his sides, it's not really up there to protect his jaw, and he could be vulnerable for a left hook coming from Chokchai Battery.
Chokchai battery acknowledging that punch by Manny Pacquiao.
OPBF Flyweight Championship to mga kababayan ha. Title fight ito. Yung OPBF, ano yan? Solid din yan na regional sanctioning body. Kahit Japan recognize yan. Si Liober, OPBF champion yun ngayon. Nung dumayo siya sa Japan. Kaya magandang ikumpara to kasi sa murang edad, nakuha kagad nila tong OPBF title na to.
Here, OPBF Flyweight Championship between Chokchai 3K Battery of Thailand and Manny Pacquiao of the Philippines on Asia Fight Night.
Side the distance now, Chokchai Battery, as we mentioned, has demolished practically all of his Filipino opponents except one, Lejon Seneza, whom he lost to on points, but he was able to reverse that in a rematch.
Di bali, yung mga nag-request ng mga undefeated boxers na gawan ko daw ng content. Noted po yan. Nakalista na yan. Matik.
Championship. There's Manny Pacquiao leading off with his right. He is fighting in the southpaw stance. A left by Pacquiao to the face of Chokchai.
You know, one thing about Manny Pacquiao is that he puts his guard so dangerously low, and he's wide open for the counter-attack of Chokchai Battery, but here he is on the attack. He's got to be a little more careful in going towards Chokchai Battery, who is a very dangerous fighter.
Well, you know that Chokchai 3K Battery comes in with a very...
And mamaya papanoorin natin mga kababayan yung pagdayo ni Pacquiao sa Japan at pagdayo ni Liober sa Japan. Parehong first round knockout, masasaksihan natin yan.
As you said, he can be vulnerable to that left by Chok Chai 3K Battery and that loss.
Salamat ha, dahil hanggang ngayon patuloy ka pa rin nanonood. Hindi ka bumitaw. 'Di ba? Ano ka lang diyan, comment ka diyan, kwentuhan tayo. Kwento sa boxing, buhay-buhay. Sisikapin kong ma-replyan 'yan. Isa-isahin ko. Magre-react ako. Napansin niyo naman, 'di ba, yung mga comment nyo, kinokomentan ko rin kasi gusto kong basahin eh. Gusto kong mapakinggan yung kung ano yung mga sinasabi ng community tsaka viewers natin. Salamat, taos puso. Malaking salamat. Galing sa BFTV Sports.
In the third round, Pacquiao got careless and he was knocked out.
Right now, 3K Battery or Chok Chai 3K Battery has been playing a wait-and-see fight. And he's not at all bothered by
Low blow yung matira ni 3K Battery.
his
Hindi nagrereklamo si Pacquiao pero kitang-kita low blow yun.
punch that he's
Below the belt
solid
line.
or not.
Well, you notice that Chok
3K Battery may kasamang yung yakap niya may kasamang headbutt.
counter punch. He's waiting for the opening and he's waiting for Pacquiao to come in. And Pacquiao obliges. He comes straight in. Chok Chai 3K Battery.
There's another attack is being landed. Chok Chai 3K Battery trying to hang on.
Wala na, binubugbog na parang lantang gulay eh. Di makapalag. Ayun yung ulo talaga. Delikado yung ulo nitong dalawang to, magsasalpukan to.
Pacquiao throwing a lot of punches. Nothing solid, however, landing. I haven't seen Chok Chai.
Siya naman. Pacquiao naman yung kino-corner nyo. Pero wala, hindi effective. Walang talab.
Alright, last few seconds of round number 2. Scheduled 12 rounder for the OPBF. He was able to hang on.
Good job. Piniplik ni Pacquiao yung jab niya and effective yun. 3K Battery is still looking for a big counter but we will see.
Well, we've got a long way to go.
Yes.
At least we think so.
This is still the early going.
Chok Chai 3K Battery now taking a different stance from what he did and what he had in the first 2 rounds. Now he's getting aggressive.
Yes, you can expect it. I think Chok Chai needed those first 2 rounds to size up the style of Manny Pacquiao. I think you can expect him now to take more chances in moving in on his prey.
Manny Pacquiao, however, trying to be an elusive target.
A good sidestepping here by Manny Pacquiao. Good lateral movement. You notice that
Mababa talaga. Mababa yung suntok na itong battery na to. Abusado. Hindi kasi sinisita ng referee.
At Manny Pacquiao. Pacquiao
Good
landing a
combination.
combination from the outside.
The Chok Chai 3K Battery taking in a stalking stance now. But Manny Pacquiao doesn't look intimidated at all. But you can feel that the crowd here knows the sting of the punches that Chok Chai could deliver. And a lot of them are waiting with bated breath for Chok Chai 3K Battery to finally display his vaunted boxing abilities.
Manny Pacquiao making good use of the ring, Ed.
Oh, good
And
shots
this
to the
time,
body by
Both of
Manny
them
Pacquiao.
exchanging hard blows.
Body oh. Nanlulow blow ka ha. Testingin mo to. Atras siya eh. Di ba?
Towards the midsection of Chok Chai. And Chok Chai holding on, and Manny Pacquiao taking a slip.
Fight goes on. This is round number 3 of a scheduled 12-rounder. And more shots to the face being delivered by Manny Pacquiao.
Good hand speed coming from Manny Pacquiao's side.
And you can say that again, Finito. Sometimes you can't even see the punches come and go. Or a blur, especially for Manny Pacquiao. He has been flicking those right jabs with a lot of consistency.
And watch the way Manny Pacquiao circles around Chok Chai, and that's to throw him off balance. I guess he realizes that Chok Chai is the sort of fighter who will just go straight up towards you, isn't he?
Grabe si Pacquiao, ang payat pa eh. Naubusan ng hangin. Hinihingal si Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao.
Naalala ko tuloy si Casimero nung laban niya kay Uguni. Ganyan din eh.
Manny Pacquiao were throwing
Shoutout kay
back and
Boss
for
Champ,
three.
kay Quadro Walas. Naabangan natin yung laban yan. Sakto, nasa Kameda na siya.
Chokchai, making it difficult for Chokchai to find the angles to throw his straights and hooks.
Chokchai going to the body and now to the face. Manny Pacquiao countering. Pacquiao with the right and the left.
Now the dangerous thing here for Pacquiao is that if he stands still and engages Chokchai into some kind of toe-to-toe fighting.
You know that Chokchai 3K battery packs a wallop in his punches. And you can, good right there by Manny Pacquiao.
Tanong ko sa inyo mga kababayan, may hawig nga ba talaga sa estilo ni Liover? Itong si Pacboy at si Loverboy?
Chokchai 3K
Ito'y comparison video, kaya pinapanood natin yung mga laban ni Pacquiao dati. Gusto nating ikumpara yung galaw ni Liover at ni Pacquiao kasi sinasabi ng iba na si Liover yung next Pacquiao. Uy, nakatalikod. Ano yun?
And now he tries to go in to finish it off, but Chokchai 3K battery just shrugs it off.
Chokchai too wily a veteran. And again, Manny Pacquiao using the ring to move away from Chokchai. That's the right thing to do.
Yes, that's a smart thing to do. And he keeps sticking that right jab, then follows up with the left.
Low blow coming from Chokchai, and referee Estrella telling Chokchai to keep his blows above the belt.
Missed by Chokchai 3K battery, but he's up and about in a flash as Manny Pacquiao tried to move in to that jab. Good right by Manny Pacquiao to the face of Chokchai. Chokchai trying to go to the body now. And a slip by Manny Pacquiao.
You know, that's the second time we've seen that. Manny Pacquiao, if he finds himself in a precarious situation where he wants the referee to step in, he kneels down.
Right.
And that forces, of course, Chokchai to stop punching. Clever tactic, but I don't know.
Change of blows there between Pacquiao and Chokchai. That right jab of Manny Pacquiao.
Solid na laban to, solid na laban.
Finding the mark time and again.
Hindi siya one-sided. Although, in terms of power punches na malinis lumanding, Pacquiao lamang.
Strong messages.
Pero hindi nagpapaapi yung Thai fighter.
Of his punches are concerned.
Well, I thought he hurt Manny Pacquiao that time with a right to the ribs.
Right.
And I don't think Manny Pacquiao can withstand relentless punching to the midsection for too much longer.
Well, you see the muscles rippling around the body of former champion, likely champion Rolando Navarrete, also hailed from. And he was known as a bad boy from the Diangas, which is the old name of General Santos City. It has produced several more
Yung niya talaga, yung estilo niya talaga, dating-dati pa eh.
Manny Pacquiao
May kita mo eh. Sadyang na-polish lang talaga nung lumaban na siya sa US.
peppering away,
Yung talbog niya, no, yung in and out
keeping him
angle,
off balance, preventing Chokchai
pivot,
from
creating
moving in
angles,
and attacking his midsection.
attack pattern, di ba? Yung double jab.
Battery has shown to be the more
Dating-dati pa, yun na eh.
deliberate fighter. And now goes to the breadbasket of Manny Pacquiao again. That one landed in the left elbow.
Sobrang disiplinado din. Tingnan mo yung kamay, yung kaliwang kamay ni Pacquiao. Nakadepensa lagi yan.
Chokchai throwing some
Sama,
bombs.
nakastick lagi yan.
Manny Pacquiao.
Kasi alam niya, delikado yung overhand ng kalaban eh.
And I think Manny Pacquiao is realizing that he can get hurt by the Oriental champion. He has held the championship since 1993, and he had to go to Korea to take the championship from Chang Jae Kwon via a third-round knockout.
Chokchai 3K battery has certainly been able to hold on to that title amidst numerous contenders. This last one, Manny Pacquiao, is the #1 OPBF challenger, and you see him trying to be a moving target, staying away from the bombs that Chokchai 3K battery is capable of unleashing. Manny Pacquiao will have to throw some more of his punches. Good left by Chokchai to the side of the face. And again he goes to the body of Manny Pacquiao.
Now this is also going to be a test of stamina for Manny Pacquiao, whether he can continue with his pace of moving around and both fighters wrestling each other down in the canvas.
Manny Pacquiao led off with a left that hit the face of Chok Chai, but that was obviously a slip. And Manny Pacquiao immediately goes to work with a right-left combination to the face of Chok Chai. Good left and right
Nako,
by Manny
nasaktan.
Pacquiao.
Nako, yan na nga ba sinasabi ko? Accumulated damage yon, late reaction. Grabe, parang ano eh, nilamog ng bubuyog yung mukha. Payat pa ni Pacquiao eh. Diba? Okay, Liuver naman tayo. Ito naman may dumayong Chinese dito sa Pilipinas. August 24, 2024. Liuver versus Cheng Cheng Yang ng bansang China. Ito magandang laban to, napapanahon. Kasi nga, China at Philippines ngayon nagkakainitan sa West Philippine Sea. Diba? Ito yung magandang representasyon ng bakbakang Pinoy kontra Chinese. At makikita rin natin at maikukumpara din natin ang galaw na isang Liuver sa isang batang Manny Pacquiao. Shoutout sa mga kapatid natin sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Pwede ba ako makahingi ng pabor sa inyo mga kababayan? Paki-like ang videong ito para mas gumanda ang algorithm natin at maraming kababayan pa natin ang makakapanood. Kayo na humusga. Kasi tingin ko meron talagang resemblance eh. I-comment nyo dyan sa ibaba, kwentuhan tayo. Liuver fighting in white with yellow against Chinese Cheng Cheng Yang with white trunks. Sa Pilipinas to ginanap ha. Ganda bakbakan, no? Panay abante yung Chinese eh, matibay din. Pero syempre si Liuver magaling dumistansya and magaling siya pasukin yung mga butas ng depensa ng kalaban tuwing umaatake. Kumbaga in between ng pag-atake ng kalaban, doon niya, yun no, doon niya pinapasok yung big punches niya. Magaling pumuntos. Tingnan nyo ha, pansinin nyo, maatake yung Chinese, dumidikit. Pagkasuntok niyan, kakaunter ni Liuver yan, babanatan niya yan, tignan mo. Di ba? In between na suntok, kaya doon siya nagkakapuntos. Solid. Abang-abang na Pinoy. Okay, once again, this video is comparison of Kenneth Liuver and a young Manny Pacquiao. Titignan natin kung meron nga ba talagang resemblance ang dalawang boksingero kasi sinasabi ng karamihan na ito daw ang susunod na Manny Pacquiao. Diba? Agree ka ba? Kung agree ka, comment mo dyan. O kung disagree ka, comment mo rin dyan. Pag-uusapan natin yan. Babasahin natin isa-isa. At mabasa din ang community natin. Diba? And don't forget to like na rin mga kababayan. Uy, tinaman ang uppercut. Nakabawi. Bang! Malakas din sa body shot ng kalaban. Okay, dinidikitan. Makounter si Liuver. Body ulit. And Liuver is waiting for an opening. Napupuruan si Liuver sa round na to ha. Pero tingnan natin mamaya. You know? Kasi ano yung Chinese kasi umaabante na may kasamang ulo. Kasamang headbutt eh. Bang! Tignan natin yung bawi. Yun, bang! Tumama din. Bang! Uy, low blow yun. Okay, good job. Uy, tinamaan si Liuver ng hook dun. Grabe yung Chinese. Matibay din. Makunat. Pero mas nakita at mas nanaig ang mga clean punches ni Liuver. Kaya panalo via unanimous decision. Ito naman, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo mga kababayan. Manny Pacquiao dumayo sa Japan against Japanese Shin Terao. May 18, 1998. Mga nasa 19 years old si Pacquiao ata dito.
タイトル戦ではありますが、寺尾にとりましては大きな意味を持つ試合です
ビッグチャ
ね。
ンスですよね。この試合をね、なんとかものにしてね、このステップバイステップじゃないですけどね、上へ行こうと、こういうのは気持ちでいるでしょうね。
肩を上下に動かして小刻みに動いています。黒のトランクスに黄色いライン、寺尾慎、そして白いトランクスに赤いラインが入っています。このサウスポーのファイターがマニー・パキャオです。リングの中央、マニー・パキャオを中心にして左へと回っています。寺尾、右のフック。
Masyadong dynamic yung movement ng Japanese. First round pa lang. Parang tensyonado siya eh.
本来
Yung
は
mga
どんど
suntok
んと
niya
出てい
hindi,
くファイターとい
yeah,
う
hindi
寺尾慎
tumatama,
ですが
hangin lang eh.
今日はなるべく足を使ってポイントを取って動いて相手を見ていきたい、そう話していました。
May nakalaban si Pacquiao ganto eh.
試合前の作戦通
Si
り
Chris Algieri, ganto gumalaw.
リングの中央にマニー・パキャオ
Talbog-talbog.
そしてその周りを回っていくという
Umatas.
寺尾慎です。
Alam mo naman, ganto yung gustong targetin ni Pacquiao. I-knockout. Uy, tinamaan.
左をついていきま
Lipad
した
yung mukha.
サウスポースタイルの
Wala,
マニー・パキャオ
telegraph yung mga suntok ng Japanese.
具志堅さん、ここまでご覧いただきましてマニー・パキャオの動きですがいかがでしょう。
やっぱり体が柔らかいですからね、はい、上体をよく振ってますね、
Uy, gewang-gewang ha. Gewang-gewang yung Japanese dito ha. Nako, yari ka. Ang likot mo kasi, yan tuloy. Tinamaan ka ng isang bagsik ng isang Manny Pacquiao.
いきなり第1ラウンドダウンを奪われました。
Uy, tinamaan ulit. Nako,
マニー・パキャオが出てきます。
anong ginagawa mo?
現役の世界ランカー
Tumatakbo
東
na.
洋太平洋の
Nako,
階級チャンピオン
tulog. Gustong maghanap ng unan.
なんか足に来てますね
Pameme yung mga Japanese boxing fans dito, mga kababayan ha.
足
Tumayo pa talaga. Sure ka ba dyan? Nako. Hindi ka sure dyan, Brad. Mapapahama ka lang. Kasi yung mga Japanese patatapang. Ayaw sumuko kahit walang laban. Kaya may tendency talaga na mapahama ka. Tumataas yung mortality rate eh. Maraming namamatay na Japanese dahil ang tatapang kasi nila. Di ba? Kahit hindi na kaya, pinipilit pa rin. Eh, syempre, suntok yan eh. 12 rounds kang sinusuntok sa ulo. Tama, gewang-gewang na. Dapat tinigil na yan eh.
15秒ですね
Dapat tinigil na yan, pre. Tinigil mo na yan, rep. Kasi kahit sabihin natin makaka-survive siya sa first round, paano na lang yung second round? Papabugbog ulit, di ba? Hindi titigilan ni Pacquiao yan, di ba? Dapat binato na yung tuwalya kanina pa eh.
いやいやよく頑張ったんですがね、もう1秒か2秒ぐらいのですね。
どうかですね。
Ito, tingnan nyo mga kababayan ha. Ito yata yung binatukan si Pacquiao eh. Binatukan siya ng manager kasi parang binugbog niya yung Japanese. Tingnan natin ha. Ito yun eh, pagkakatanda ko. Grabe, kawawa. Ayun o, ayun o. Ayun o, binatukan siya eh. Di ba? Ba't mo i-knockout to? Di ba? Diba? Parang ganun eh. Parang ganun yung tema eh. Binatukan si Pacquiao. Siguro kasi nga baka plano nila ano na yun. Unanimous decision win yun. Para exciting. Eh kaso, syempre fighter, di ba? And kumakana yung Japanese. Papatulugin mo talaga. Kailangan mong tapusin.
胸のあたりなんですね。これは白井さん、その前にパワーですね。パワーですか。
Grabe yung Pacquiao. Highlights to ha.
あれ胸です
Pang
か
tinamaan
ら
si
ね。
Pacquiao pero wala.
これが
Wala
2
nang
回目
lakas
の
yun.
ラウンド。
Matakbo siya eh. Survival instinct na niya yan eh. Kasi alam niyang
そして
hindi kaya.
この後
First round
Okay, Liuver naman tayo. Ito yung sinasabi ko na pagdayo niya sa Japan. Unang pagdayo niya, pre, ikumpara natin. Kenneth Liuver fighting in blue and green trunks against Tulio Di Canarudo of Japan with black and white trunks.
Good opening sequence.
Last year lang to ha. Last year lang to. Bago lang.
Hindi makasetup yung kalaban niya from Japan.
Naghahamon pa yung Tulio eh.
Another jab from Liuver.
Oh, galawang Pacquiao talaga eh. May hawig talaga eh. Uy! Nako, yari.
Good setup with the hook. Papasok and down goes Tulio in the very
Sobrang
first
explosive
round, ladies and gentlemen.
itong Liuver na to.
Ang kalabang Hapon.
Nako, tinigil kagad.
And that
Buti pa
is
tong
it.
Japanese na ano na to. Kasi tinigil niya kagad eh. Alam niya mabubugbog lang. Di ba?
Napakagandang performance po ni Kenneth Liuver. Pilipinong fighter. Eto ngayon si Kenneth Liuver bumawi para sa Pilipinas. Yan naman si Kuya Jerry, napaka-supportive sa career ni Kenneth Liuver.
Okay, bitin kasi yun kaya dagdagan pa natin. Isang Japanese naman to. After nun, ito yung laban na to. This year lang to ha, March 2025.
Liuver is really out to impress. Medyo impossible talaga mangyari yung mga headbutts eh, lalo na they're
magandang panoorin natin tong mga to kasi makukumpara talaga natin kung may hawig nga ba talaga. Kumakain din kasi nasuntok. Good counter.
Punches. Landed with a good left over there. Acts very patient, very confident dito sa laban ito, which is good. Because in and out, yung labas-pasok niya.
Grabe oh.
And he's really throwing
Bang!
punches
Oh,
with
wow!
aggression. Yes,
Basak.
that's a good left.
Bagsak.
First round pa lang.
Nako.
Could this be a preview of good
Nako,
things to come
nanggigigil
for
yung
Kenneth
kababayan
Lubero?
natin.
It's not over.
Okay, bang! Palike ako mga kababayan ha. Huwag niyong kalimutang i-like. Bang!
Wow! Good. Bilang ulit. That was a clean left. Maraming mga taong... Oh! 30 seconds. That's it. Wow!
Good decision by referee. Shout out sa'yo. Iba tong Lubero na to. Back to back first round knockout by Lubero sa Japan. Ito naman Pacquiao. Siyempre, pasadahan na rin natin to. Kasi ito yung laban na naging world champion si Pacquiao. Diba? Kasi alam natin, ini-expect natin yan si Kenneth Lubero. Magiging world champion yan in the future kung magtuloy-tuloy yung karera. Maalagaan, proper conditioning, proper training, diba? Proper handlers, management. Kaya panoorin natin tong laban ni Pacquiao nung naging world champion siya. Kasi si Lubero, darating din yung panahon. Ito yung first title fight ni Pacquiao ha. Dumayo siya sa Thailand against veteran Chatchay Sasakul.
This is round number 7. Yung dalawang kamay naman ni Manny Pacquiao. Medyo nasa may bewag na yan, no?
Pacquiao still appears to be very, very tense and very tight.
Yes, and unidimensional ang attack ni Manny Pacquiao. Going only straight for the head and using just one punch to try to steal this fight away from Chatchay.
One punch has done it for many fighters, but in the flyweight division, it's going to be a little difficult. Especially with a fighter as strong and as powerful as Chatchay.
And as quick. Magulang ito si Chatchay.
Gulang talaga.
At meron
Maabante si Pacquiao. Kasi ramdam ni Chatchay na delikado tong Pinoy na to. Kasi marami na ring Thai fighter ang pinatulog si Pacquiao sa mga panahong to eh. Kumbaga notorious na siya eh sa paningin ng mga Thai boxing fans. Notorious na siya na tagapuksa ng mga Thai fighter.
Chatchay now moving away from Manny Pacquiao. Pacquiao is very aggressive.
Very, very aggressive. You got to give him credit.
Yes.
Oh, backing left by Pacquiao. He rocked Sasakul that time.
A rocking shot to the jaw.
That hurt. With Manny Pacquiao can only follow that up.
And Chatchay is coming back. He's coming back. What a champion this Thailander is. As Manny Pacquiao continuing to stop him.
Connects with another left. Sasakul against the ring. Manny Pacquiao let that chance slip by because he came in, he didn't follow up neatly, he followed up rather wildly.
Isipin nyo, dadating yung time na si Kenneth Lubero naman ang magkaroon ng world title shot. Exciting panoorin yun, parang ganito. Talagang tututok yung Pilipinas.
For Chatchay in this fight, yung kanyang uppercut.
Chatchay connects to the right and the left. Pacquiao covers up. Pacquiao waiting.
Sa tingin nyo mga kababayan, hawig nga ba talaga yung estilo, yung may resemblance nga ba talaga? Kasi tingin ko meron talaga eh. Meron talaga.
Not backing away. I think he's going for the kill in this round.
Pacquiao looking at him in the neutral corner.
Pasensya na ha kung may mga comment na hindi ko nare-replyan dahil talagang napakadami nyo. Pero sisikapin ko, di ba, para sa community natin dahil lumalago tayo eh, dumadami tayo.
Yes. I was just gonna say, if he thinks that Manny Pacquiao is on the way down, he better be careful.
Another good combination by Pacquiao.
Between Chatchay, Dutchboy Jim, and Manny Pacquiao. Ito panurin po natin, that left-hand shot thrown and connected by Manny Pacquiao.
But they have no time for that slow-mo.
Round number 8 na po tayo.
Number 8, Pacquiao continuing to start. Oh, he got Chatchay with the left to the side of the body there. Chatchay stalking Sasakul.
I know, that was a very rare body shot coming from Manny Pacquiao.
Good combination that time by Pacquiao. Another good combination.
Pacquiao throwing it on,
And
giving it his all.
Chatchay backing up. Oh, good left by Pacquiao. Just lugging it out there. Pacquiao goes after Chatchay. Chatchay.
Si Chatchay, pag parang may look of anger ito si Manny Pacquiao, parang natatakot ito si Chatchay. He's got
Good right and a left by Pacquiao. Hard right to the side of the body. Another right by Pacquiao.
But you notice in this round,
He's
Pacquiao
looking to the body and a right uppercut by Pacquiao. But Chatchay comes back and Manny Pacquiao going for broke here in round number 8.
second win being shown here by Manny Pacquiao. He's now attacking the Paano ito sinasabi natin kanina? Kulang sa atake sa katawan. Ngayon, pinapakita ni Manny Pacquiao.
Konting-konti na lang, champion na si Pacquiao eh. Buong Pilipinas nanonood sa time na to.
Walking to the body now. You know, Chachay seems to be vulnerable in the body. Good left by Pacquiao. Left and the right by Chachay. Good hard right by Pacquiao, but he gets caught with the right from Sasako.
A partner at this
Chachay,
stage,
Sasako.
Chachay needs to beat Manny Pacquiao to the punch.
Now Pacquiao connects.
Aggressive.
Pacquiao
Uy, tinamaan si Pacquiao doon. Wala, kinakain lang. Maganda yata yung kondisyon ni Pacquiao sa mga panahon na to.
Chachay, may lakas.
Chachay continuing to
Kasi kailangan i-knockout ni Pacquiao to kasi kung hindi niya ma-knockout to, luto. Matik na yan.
Well, partner, this fight is turning into a street brawl. Ito sa round number 8. Panatanato.
good right cross by Pacquiao.
And there's no backing away.
No backing. No,
Manny
this is
Pacquiao
thunder in
is
Thailand.
moving in. Chachay fighting back. Oh, what a brawl. What a fight.
Pacquiao continues to stalk Chachay. Chachay looks worried, Filippo, despite the fact that he's coming out of the middle of that changes. Chachay was hurt by Pacquiao. Pacquiao stalking the champion.
Pacquiao's got to keep his focus.
Pacquiao is pressuring still to knock out the champion.
Side of the
Chachay
body.
left to the side of the head. Good left! And Chachay was rocked.
That's right, he
Pacquiao
was
goes
rocked.
after him.
A nice left straight.
Nako. Ito na nga yun. Nako. Mapapa. Ooh. Lakda. Hindi na makakatayo yan. Pansinin nyo mga kababayan, ang bagal magbilang ng referee dyan eh. Alam mo, ang bagal no. Para lang makarecover pero wala pre. Ikot siya eh. Lakda. World champion si Pacquiao sa time na to. Hype na hype yung mga caster eh, sina Sir Den Quinito at Sir Ronnie Nathaniels. Kasi talagang historic moment to. Unang world title ni Pacquiao.
What